Hey dude, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool Miss right here, and basically what these are is some shower body wash gel. If you see, the one that we got right here is from a brand called mrs.meyers, and this is a rainwater scent. They do have this available in other scents as well, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which ones prefer. But this is what the bottle looks like when you guys first get it. If you can see, it's 16 fluid ounce. I believe they have this available in like 1-pack or 2-pack. But the one that we got right here is a 3-pack. But regardless of how many packs you guys get, that is up to you guys. They all work the same way. So this is what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me just go pour some of these out and test it out to show you guys what it actually looks like and describe what it actually smells like as well. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here I do have the body wash. Let me just pour some out onto my hand and show you guys what it actually looks like and describe the feeling and the scent on here as well. So I'm gonna open up like this and then squeeze some out. Alright, so once you guys squeeze it out, that is basically what the texture looks like. So you see the texture on here is very similar to the one that we have right here, which is the hand soap from the same exact brand. And when you guys smell the scent on here, it definitely smells pretty nice. It has like the same scent that you guys have on here as well, which is the rainwater scent. So I'm actually washing it around to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys use it. Alright. So that is what the texture looks like when you guys actually use it. And you definitely smell that rainwater scent on here that has like that floral scent as well. So we have to turn on the water. It definitely smells super nice with the rainwater scent. It also feels pretty nice once you guys use it. And same thing applies to when you guys use the hand soap. If you guys squeeze a little bit out. This is what the texture looks like. You can see it's basically like the same thing, like the gel texture. And when you guys use it, it looks very similar, and it definitely has like a rainwater scent on here when you guys use the hand soap as well. But after using both of these products here, you can definitely feel that your skin actually feels much cleaner. But that is what the product looks like after you guys use both of these options right here, the body wash and the hand soap from the same exact brand and the same scent as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test, the product definitely actually does work and it works quite well. So I can see when you guys squeeze it out, it definitely has like a gel-like texture. But once you guys start using it, you can definitely get like the same exact scent, just like the hand liquid soap, that's the rainwater scent as well. Only difference is that one is for your hand, whereas for this one right here is for your body. And 40 body wash works for both women and men. So that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now the next question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality body wash to use every day for showering. Then I would definitely have to say that this is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.